Welcome to Issues 2 online tutorials. Today we're going to discuss the chemical unit PowerPoint and how to get started. Step 1 is to open up our school webpage. From Issues 2, you're going to go to PowerPoint projects on the left. And step 1 from there is click on Drug PowerPoint Directions, and that will give you an outline of how to get started. Roman numeral 1 from the outline is simply select a topic. So you can use the internet or different websites to search for topics. A great way to get started with that is on the school website. Again, there is a sample list of drug topics there. And again, you could choose anything from alcohol. You could talk about cocaine for your project or codeine. If I scroll down farther, there is ecstasy, GHB we talked about in video club drugs. ICE is a street name for methamphetamines, which is a stimulant. You could do inhalants as a topic. LSD is a hallucinogen. Meth, again, a short name for methamphetamine. And opium, oxycontin, quaaludes, rohypnol, steroids, and Valium. Any of those will be sample drug topics. Back to the outline. After you've selected a topic, you're going to create an outline using Inspiration. And again, many students haven't used the Inspiration software. It's basically a concept map software, so it's going to create an outline for you on everything that's going to be included in your project. So step 1 to get started for your Inspiration page is to go down to the dock at the bottom of your screen. You're looking for a green icon with a yellow star on it. Click on that for Inspiration. This is a sample one I did for the topic of LSD. So you can see LSD pops up in the center topic. You're required to have a slide on controversial issue, priority areas, and then you're going to choose 2 topics of your own. For this demonstration, I use statistics and history as my other 2 slides. So you have your main topic, 4 information slides, and then you need to have 3 subtopics off of each of your information slide. So for my controversial issue for LSD, I would talk about prison time, use of LSD on the United States troops, and the legalization of the drug. When you start Inspiration from the beginning, you're going to have a diagram pop up. Make sure you click on that icon to begin. And your main idea is, again, going to be whatever your drug topic is. Here's a great shortcut to creating your web design. If you go up to the left-hand side, this Create button, wherever you move your cursor or mouse to, that's where the next button is going to go to. So I need 1 to the left. Make sure you click back on drug topic. You need 1 down below, back on your main topic, and then put 1 to the right and on top. And again, like I said, you need 3 branches off of that for subtopics. So if you just start left to right, up top, 1 down to the right, and then do that for your other 3 information slides. So basically, you have your information slide in PowerPoint, and then these 3 subtopics are going to be your 3 paragraphs that are required within each slide. So if I go back to my original LSD example, you can see statistics had stats from the United States, the rest of the world, and by different age groups. When your concept map is completely done, you need to insert that into page 2 of your PowerPoint project. So the best way to do that is to go up to the top corner, click Edit, and select All. You'll notice that it highlights every circle with a little box around it. Then you want to copy that, so go Edit again and Copy. Now I'm going to go down to my PowerPoint project if I haven't already created one. And I need to insert a slide because, again, this goes on slide 2. And you want that one to be blank. So the way you make that blank, go to Format and Slide Layout. And then make sure you click on a blank slide. And then your last step, go up to Edit and Paste. And then this is kind of a table of contents, so I know which slides are going to be covered for your project and what are your subtopics that are going to follow that. And that is the Roman numeral 2 within your PowerPoint. So you've created an outline using the Inspiration software. The outline must have 3 concepts under each drug topic. Roman numeral 3, create a title page. You must include in PowerPoint your name, my name, the hour, room number, and the date. And again, so PowerPoint, slide number 1 is just going to be your drug topic again. And then click to add text. We need your name, Mr. Nichols, the date, room number, and if we're using the computer lab, it's most likely 232 or whatever computer lab we're working in. Your name, my name, hour, room number, and the date. So whatever hour number that you are working on. Then you have to have a picture or graphic on every slide. So if you went to Google and then found any drug related topic or picture related to your topic, throw that in there so you have a picture on your title page as well. And that finishes up Roman numeral 3, create a title page. Again, your name, my name, hour, room number, and the date. Roman numeral 4 goes into more detail about your slides that you're going to use for your different topics or your information slides. Again, you have your controversial issue is required. And then you're going to have one slide that's entitled Priority Areas. That's also required. And then you can pick from the optional list here or come up with ideas of your own. You could do the history of your drug, the drug effects. You could talk about the media, anything that shows up on TV, radio, or movies, or in print, how it affects the economy, the safety, the laws surrounding it. Laws and jail time are a good topic to discuss with different drug topics. So your final project is goes in this order: title page first. Okay, then your inspiration outline is page 2. 4 information slides in any order. And the last thing I'll cover on this tutorial is your works cited page. And again, you need 2 web resources and 2 book resources. And a great place to get started for your works cited page is go to the library homepage. Okay, so this is just under egan.k12.mn.us, and I clicked on Academics and Library. On the tab is the Wildcat Style Manual, so the books need to be in Wildcat Style Manual. You can click on that and it will give you a list of how to cite all of your different topics. Make sure that you're doing that correctly for your works cited page. And also there is a great online encyclopedia you can use. If you click on Gale Group and scroll down, you're going to look for health module. This has a pretty effective search engine. If you type in any drug topic, let's say I'm doing meth or methamphetamine as a topic, click search. And again, I have an article here on designer drugs, the brain's response to methamphetamine, brain recovery in meth, methamphetamine facts about club drugs. Any of these have a online source listed there as an online encyclopedia, and you can use that as one of your web topics. So if I go back to my outline again, PowerPoint directions, I've gone through Roman numeral 5, the basic requirements on our school website again, and that is how to save to the shared folder. I've also added in how to do extra credit for video and animations, and I put that sample concept map from Inspiration on there as well. And the last thing on your outline, make sure that your information slides are at 20-point font or less. They need to be in paragraph form with no bullets. We talked about the works cited page. And you have one slide entitled Priority Areas. So you need to pick 2 of the following areas and describe how they'll affect a person's overall health. And you can do that with your PowerPoint project, and that information goes on those slides. So any additional questions you should be able to find from Mr. Nichols, or you should be able to find on our school website. Good luck with your final project, and turn it into the shared folder when you are completed.